Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're reviewing the McLaren 570s Spider.
Let's start with the front. It's got speed mark shaped LED headlights, exposed oil coolers, and an aggressive front bumper designed for optimum airflow and reduced drag. The 570s rides on stunning 19-inch front and 20-inch rear alloy wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 Corsa tires. And for stopping power, it's got the carbon ceramic brakes.
Summertime, the nice rides are coming out now, innit?
Step inside and notice the sleek interior. The flat bottom steering wheel is designed for spirited driving. A 7-inch touchscreen controls infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. The sports seats provide exceptional support and comfort, wrapped in premium leather to add a touch of luxury to the overall driving experience. The McLaren 570s Spider's rear end combines stunning design with technical brilliance, optimizing airflow and performance. Note the twin titanium exhaust, delivering a throaty growl, and the intricate diffuser expertly managing airflow to generate significant downforce and enhances handling. And finally, the sleek LED taillight, adding a touch of sophistication and menace to the 570s's rear end.
What's this car like on the road, man?
Good.
Yeah?
It's a large when it's wet.
This car is a masterclass in design, engineering, and performance. With its sleek looks, incredible acceleration, and agile handling, it's an unforgettable driving experience. Under the hood, it's powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing 570 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque.
Can I have a couple more? Yeah, man. That's tough.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.